Okay, let's take a look at components of blood and their function. So there are 4 components of blood: red blood cell, white blood cell, platelets, and blood plasma. So you are required to list down the components of blood, and also you have to list the functions of all these components. The red blood cell carry oxygen from the lungs to other parts of the body. White blood cells, there are 2 types of white blood cells, phagocytes and lymphocytes. Phagocytes engulf foreign bodies. Foreign bodies could be virus, foreign bodies could be bacteria, it could be some parasites, via phagocytosis. Lymphocytes produce antibodies. These antibodies will bind to foreign bodies and tag them for phagocytosis. That means sometimes the foreign bodies might float around without, they are too small to be recognized by the phagocytes. So antibodies will bind to it and make it visible to the phagocytes to bind, to engulf these foreign bodies. Okay, Ken? So far so good? Pao and Lorraine?
Yes.
Okay, next, platelets. Platelets will aid in blood clotting. I will tell you more about the blood clotting later. And then blood plasma. Blood plasma will distribute dissolved nutrients, gases, waste, and heat around the body. So basically, it will carry the nutrients from the small intestine to other parts of the body so that it will feed the cells with nutrients, gases as well. And then waste, it will probably bring waste from the body cells to the kidney or to the liver to be broken down, and to the kidney to be excreted. Okay, heat, it will likely carry heat from the liver. Liver is our main organ that produce heat. Okay, so it will carry heat from the liver because liver carry out a lot of activities. So these activities will create byproduct heat. So the byproduct heat will be distributed with the help of blood plasma into the rest of the body, to the rest of the body. Okay, so this is component of blood and its function. Let's take a look at blood clotting. The clotting of blood occur when there's any injury. There's injuries, be it external or internal injuries. The platelets and also damaged cells will secrete what we call thrombokinase. Okay? Coincidentally, platelets is also named thrombocytes. Why? Because the thrombo, it takes after the name of the enzymes that it produces. Platelets and damaged cells will produce thrombokinase. Thrombokinase is an enzyme. So this thrombokinase will convert prothrombin to thrombin with the presence of calcium ions. Prothrombin is also an enzyme. It will convert fibrinogen into fibrin. Fibrinogen is soluble, while fibrin is insoluble. So basically what happened is, this is soluble plasma protein. You have heard of plasma protein before. So this is one of them, the plasma protein. Normally it is soluble. When soluble means it floats around like this, evenly spread out in the blood plasma. Under catalysis of thrombin, all this will start to form a long polymer. So this long polymer is insoluble. So this long polymer will then form straight light structure. Some sort of like cage. This cage, or we call it mesh, will trap red blood cell like a cage like that. It will trap the red blood cell and form blood clot. Okay? In other words, fibrin fiber form a mesh which trap red blood cells to form blood clot. So this blood clot will then prevent. There are two main functions of blood clot. Number one is to prevent further loss of blood. Number two is to prevent entry of foreign particles like bacteria, virus, or parasites, or worms, all this. Okay, so these are the two main function of blood clot. Okay, can you guys take a while to copy this down? It's not in the notes. When you're done, let me know.
Copy finish.
Okay.